Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a crafty haul. I have a couple items that I want to share with you. First ones are a couple dies, so let me get started on those. These are from Tim Holtz, and this is his vault release. I only picked up 2 dies from that release, and it's the rosette die and the pillow box die. I do have these. They are a little smaller than the originals, but they're good to have, just for the size. And Eileen Hall also had a vault release, which I was really excited about. I do own these dies, but I love Eileen Hall dies. As you guys know, I've purchased a lot of her dies on eBay, especially the older dies. But she had a really good deal on all of on these 3 right here on her Etsy store. So I wanted to support her, and I did pick up a set. The first one is the needle book die. I believe that's what it's called. It's a very neat die. And then the second one is the embroidery hoop, which is very neat as well. Good size. And this one, you guys need to pick this up, because on eBay I paid a ridiculous amount of money for one of these dies. So if you don't have this in your stash, I really recommend you pick one up. I think Sizzix also has this available. So if Eileen Hall doesn't have the bundle available, please purchase these individually. So I really recommend you guys pick this die, because I'm telling you, it's a really good die to have. Okay, so that's from Eileen Hall, and I will link her Etsy shop down below so you guys can check her out. This next stamp and die set is from Catherine Puller Designs. She did have on her website. Scrapbook.com didn't have it at the time, so I did purchase on her website. She also has a 12x12 paper pad and a 6x6 paper pad, I believe. Or she only has the 6x6, I can't remember. But if you look on her website, or scrapbook.com might have it now, I would take a look. But very, very cute stamp. Okay. And then, oh, I forgot to share that Eileen Hall, she had some trouble getting her dies in on time, and she sent us a free die. I forgot to share that. I thought it was very sweet of her. So this next set is from the Greetery. As you guys know, I love purchasing their dies and stamps. They're really unique designs, and their quality is great as well. This is their Valentine release. This one's the postcard details. That's how it looks like. I would really recommend you guys look up their Instagram and look at all the projects that were made using these dies. Okay, this one is the Postal Modern, and this is the stamp. Love the stamps on this set right here. And then this is the coordinating die. This one's right here is called Sent with Love, and this is just a standalone die. You get all those tiny little envelopes, and this is a very cute die to have. Okay. Size are perfect for embellishments. This one is the 4 square Valentine tags, and this is the stamp. It's very cute, you guys. Love the font on here. And then this one's the coordinating die. Good size. This one right here is the Flourish Phrase Love Edition stamp. So this set right here is one of my favorite ones. This one is the Flourish Phrases die, and this is the love one. They do have another one that says hello. I didn't pick that one up, but I really fell in love with this one. You do get 2 dies. And then this one has the coordinating stencil. It's a must-have with this die. You get 3 stencils. Okay. And they also have another stencil that makes the airmail border. Another one of my favorites. Okay. So that's from the Greetery. I'm really excited about that release. So now let me show you this paper collection from Simple Stories, and this one is called True Colors. I did get a couple of things from that collection. This one is the Big Bits. These are pretty large ephemera pieces. I would get the digital for this collection. I think it's really cute. The colors are very pretty on this collection. These are the rub-ons. And this one is the page pieces. Very cute. And this is the sticker book. You do get a lot of stickers on here. I don't think... Oh, here's one that's open. You do get a lot of stickers. But the colors on this collection, you guys, are very, very pretty. They're very bright and vibrant. I really, really like this. It's very pretty. Okay. This is the chipboard pieces right here. You do get 25 chipboard stickers. They're not foam, they're actually chipboard, which is nice. I did pick up a couple of those just because it's so pretty to me. This is the paper pad. You get 24 papers. I like some of the paper on here. I would get a couple of the single sheets, but I mainly like the elements on all the extra pieces on this collection. They do have the stencil. It's the film strip stencil, and they do have the stamp. Very cute. They do have the let me see. This is two different ephemera pieces, journal bits and pieces. That's what you get. I don't want to open these because I have so many pieces in this collection. The little ephemera pieces. Oops, sorry. And I did pick up a couple packs of each. Oh, this one. These are the flowers. Yeah, these are the flowers. They're very pretty. And I did pick up a couple of sheets of the 12 by 12 stickers, just so I can use them as ephemera pieces. So I did pick up a couple of those. And then the second collection that I picked up from Simple Stories, they just released, is this really pretty vintage, it's called Simple Vintage Spring Garden, I believe. And I did pick up some of the clusters, and I did pick this up from Frank Garcia. They're very pretty. I did pick up some of the ephemera, and this is in the larger size as well. It's very pretty. And I did pick up some of the Simple Vintage layer bits. These are my favorite from the collection, and I think I will get maybe another 2 packs of these. These are very pretty to have. I love the seed packet theme on here. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is the first set of papers. This is what it looks like in the front, and look at the back. So pretty. Okay, and the second one is what it looks like from the front, and look at the back. It is so pretty. The colors are so pretty in this collection. And then the third one, this one. Look how pretty this is. I am in love with this page right here. It's so pretty. Okay, and then the fourth one. Right here, and this is the back. It's very pretty. Okay, so that is it for that collection. I didn't care much for the 6x8 paper pad. I thought the single sheets would do it, and some of the ephemera pieces. So from Amazon, I picked up these heart-shaped snaps in the color red and in the color pink. I thought these were really pretty. Great for Valentine's. So that's it, you guys. That's it for my haul. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.